took one bounce off 92, so we'll see if it comes back in and pops up from there, or if it just keeps going from this area. Because if it does, then I miss it.
Dave, you seem to trade oil a lot. Is that your fave?
Me? Gold?
Yeah.
I like gold. I like gold's movement if it's around my levels. If it's not around my levels, then I just leave it alone. Kind of like ES. Like if it's hitting off my levels, then I'll take some trades. If it's not, then I just leave it alone.
Okay.
I just prefer to trade the areas or the charts that are around my levels. And if they're not, I just kind of don't trade. But I don't try to trade too much between areas.
Yeah.
So it just depends. Like if I see opportunities around major areas for gold versus like S&P or oil, then I'll take them from gold. And if I see the other opportunities around like S&P or something, then I'll take those opportunities. But right, I missed the long on S&P, so I didn't really have much of an opportunity to trade that until gold, because gold was bouncing off a main level.
Yeah.
I didn't
I just
have
pick and choose.
I took that trade with you, David, on gold.
Nice. The short. I took a short. I don't know. Yeah.
You're short?
Well, I went short earlier and then got it down to the 89 threes, and then I tried to hold the trailer. And I put the stop right around 91. Then it came back and took the trailing stop out.
I see. No, I took a long.
Nice.
I went against you.
No. That was a good long because I was waiting for another pullback to bounce off of the area versus the first bar, but that was still a good long opportunity. I wasn't comfortable with taking the first bounce off of it on the way back up, but it was a good one. 92 is the support anyway, so as long as it's on top of that, it's a good one.
Yeah, I was looking at the second peak that came up to 92. If that would have held for resistance, then the short would have pushed through this 89 support that I was trying to build.
Yeah. Yep. Agreed. That's a good one, man. You take your points, or you still in? Because this thing might go up higher.
I took 2 points.
Nice.
Took 3 points on them.
Good job, Mario.
Good work, man.
Thank you.